It looks like it's gonna be a good day.
Yeah, I don't know if they got room down here.
All right, guys. Hey, welcome to Skydive. Glad to see you, everybody today.
They gonna stay down there?
Yeah.
$5
That's okay. They don't want to be where the big dogs are. That's all right.
It's 4 to 7. I don't know how all these memos are getting out about it still being 1 to 4, but it's 4 to 7 through November. November, we go back to winter hours. So mark your calendars for that. And again, did I mention hot dogs today are $5 inside the Bombshelter, and that's with a discount.
How's
so
it
don't
going?
forget to get your discount ticket when you sign in right here at the DJ booth. Also, I was told that next month they're going to be running this jet they have up and down the runway. So they won't open the gate for the car show until 3:30. So
Yeah, you gotta keep one. We put it.
Yep, absolutely.
Hey, I brought my super glue to put your car together. I brought my super glue to put your car together.